Hawaiians just got mail. Broken drill. Yeah, on. We gonna find out, cousins. Okay, one more in there. What we left with. Yes, sir.
Now fit the compressor and using the original
I like reuse the trigger. There's definitely no turning back now. All we kept where the battery goes and then the trigger.
You need to remove something.
Definitely not recommended for run them like this. But we already lost one battery doing Skeletor. So I'm not scared to lose battery. I'm just gonna wrap them with electric tape. It's not too safe. If I was worried about safe, I would have bought the $200 one that was professionally made. You know how you insulate electrical wires real good. 2 words. Plenty tape. And when your father's an electrician, we out there snagging him from his toolbox every time. My man, guarantee you, I'm like, gosh. I should put the tape inside the toolbox. Now, probably by now he know it's me. But, you know what I mean? He's an electrician. If you go work and your job number electrical tape, are you really an electrician company? Well, that's not good. We're just gonna connect them with hot wire right now. There's no turning back, guys. And as much as I could put them back together, we never come for fail. We come for the W. So, let's get this W. You understand? Hold on, I got scared. Well, all right, though. That looks pretty sure. Okay, so we heard him. I'm gonna cut this centerpiece off. If it sat here, I think it would look a lot much more legit. It's above average. So, we got them pretty much all wired away. The fuse is inside there. Okay. Goes in there. Stuff right in there. I never put all the screws in, but this is what it looks like, baby. Until next time, Hawaiians. This is a whole bunch of stupidity, but see you guys next time, cause yes, sir!